All right, are we ready to go? So we are at the North Star, the weekly, bi-weekly interactions that we have, and we have ma'am starting with the storytelling from each class to connect it to competencies. Come.
Um, Hi, ma'am. I'm from Junior KGB, and today we had a art and craft class where we done a page that I can trace patterns. It was related to the monsoons, rainy seasons, and there was a one story which we narrated today to the children, and that was the Fergie the frog. Fergie the frog. So I'll say the story.
Yeah, very quickly, very quickly. Perfect.
Fergie the frog loves to play in the garden. One day, he sees some drops of water falling from the sky. He goes to his mother and asks, Mummy, what are these little drops? Mummy says, It's a drizzle. Come quickly and hide under my stomach. But Fergie is a naughty frog, so he quickly jumps away. Suddenly, he feels the drops getting bigger. More and more, the drop starts to fall. Fergie runs to his mother and says, Mummy, I'm scared. What is this? Mummy says, When many drops of water falls from the sky, it is called rain. Come and hide under my stomach if you are scared. But Fergie is a very naughty frog, so he jumps away again. But now he sees the big puddles of water in the garden. Fergie jumps into the puddle with all his friends and had loads of fun.
Is this from which book is this? Is it from World of Colors?
Yes, ma'am. World of
Oh,
colors.
so how beautiful. Just today we were discussing, when we were traveling, people were telling me that World of Colors has nothing. So I was thinking that is it so? Do you feel that World of Colors is not an effective book?
No, no, ma'am. There is. It is. It
And
is.
do you have the audios? Do you have all the audios that Asmita sent you? The songs and
No
the
audience.
rhythms? Okay, so we will
Say.
discuss that today. Let's just discuss that today. Every page of beginners has an audio, and every page of level 1 has an audio, and all consolidated are there in level 2. So we'll discuss that now. One more quick story for us, please come. So, what all did we do with this? Can you just tell me the competencies it touched, ma'am? Ma'am, before you get up, you did Fergie the frog, and you did a story. What are the competencies it touched? Can you just tell me? So we have
Uh,
C, or the let's talk about the domains. Okay, so it has social emotional domain, it has physical domain, it has a language domain, cognitive domain, art and cultural domain, and positive learning habits. First, tell me in the story how many domains did you touch?
ma'am, this emotionals are there. Emotions are there where they are getting scared,
Okay,
and
very nice. So social emotional, yes.
emotions are
The
there.
fifth one is so nice. The aesthetic and cultural development has also EVS and art. So does this touch that domain?
Yes.
How?
Uh, Ma'am, when they are going through the stories, they are listening. So they are having many imaginations and
Yes,
vocabularies
yes.
to
So the
learn.
art is developing, ma'am. How is the EVS integrated in this story?
It is related to the seasons we are connecting with
Absolutely.
them.
And they ask questions about the rain and so on and so forth, right?
And the lyrics are there, like drizzle is there, and so these kind of
How
words they will
nice.
get
I
to.
think perfect. You started with the perfect book. So, this is going to help us to also explain to others that art is not about just cutting and pasting, it's about so many other things, right? So, thank you so much. Give me a minute. I'm just